Hello friends, day 119 and I'm back on the canals. So the Bridgewater Canal to start with, round Warrington, and then after Preston Brook Tunnel that becomes the Trent and Mersey Canal. And I'm currently on the Weaver Navigation just to camp tonight, but I also came down to the Lee Arms where I had some dinner, very nice too, and I met Barry and Carol. And Barry remembered my boat from the Llangollen Canal and even remembered the name of it. Good memory, Barry. Anyway, we had a lovely chat. They've just bought themselves a lovely wide beam and are looking forward to moving on to that. We had a long chat over dinner and it was great to catch up again. I'm developing a new strategy really, which is to find a pub in the evening, find somewhere close to the pub that I can put the tent up and then have dinner and charge all the batteries up in the pub, which means I don't need to stay in quite so many hotels. And I get nice dinners every night. So that's what I'm doing. Oh, I forgot to mention, I did 2 radio interviews this morning. I did one for BBC Radio Lancashire, which was pretty short, wedged in between the weather and the news, but I also did one for Beyond Radio, and that was a much better interview, which is on their website, but if you want to hear it on the radio, apparently it's going to be broadcast on Sunday evening. So pleased with that, and that's all thanks to Sue, my most loyal YouTube subscriber. So let's have a look at where I've been today, and I will see you on the trail. This is my room with a view tonight, right beside the Weaver Navigation.